Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified when I drop another video. Today's video will be a house tour of my new home, and I'm glad to show you all my progress so far.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room.
So this is my entryway. The little wood knocks you see here was purchased from Amazon. My greenery was purchased from Amazon as well. And this entryway desk was purchased from Ashley's. I have a little shoe stand right here for all of our shoes to go in. That was purchased from Amazon as well. And then I have a basket that I purchased from Ashley's. So yeah, this is my entryway. To the right here is my garage. To the left here is my downstairs bathroom. And then there's a sink, mirror. And I purchased that from Grants at the mall. Okay, next you see here, this is my dining area. This set did not come together. I actually put it together. I bought the bench and the chairs separately and also the table. The table, chairs, and bench were purchased from Amazon. This vase that's on top of the table was purchased from Amazon, and also the pampas was purchased from Amazon. My wicker rug was purchased from Ashley, and my little basket back there was purchased from Walmart. I have a little picture on the wall that was purchased from Dee Dee's Discount. And then this is my kitchen. I have an island. My chairs were purchased from Amazon. My plate smacks was purchased from Ross. My flowers, I got them for Mother's Day. I am a mom of 5. I got this little plant from Dee Dee's as well. And then I have my pantry here. I have stainless steel appliances, my refrigerator. I love my white cabinets and also my granite countertops. Those are supposed to be on the wall, but I like them sitting on the counter, so I left them there. And then my stove is also stainless steel, black microwave. Then next you have my living room area. My mirror was purchased from Amazon. My vase and my pampas was purchased from Amazon. My TV stand was purchased from Amazon. And then my little knickknacks, this chain link was purchased from Ashley. My little gold people and also my diffuser and this other vase were purchased from Amazon. I have my Gucci book down there, purchased from Amazon as well. Then I have another basket I purchased from Ashley. This lamp was purchased from Ashley. I have my basket with a little throw blanket in there as well, so if guests come over and get cold, they have that. I have my curtain. My chair was purchased from Ashley. My sectional purchase from Ashley. I'm gonna get a white coffee table to go in the middle of here. But for now, I just have my little ottoman here to sit in its place until I can get that table. Got my greenery, from Ashley as well. And then this mirror, this gold mirror accent wall piece came from Dee Dee's Discount. And then my pictures came from Amazon. I have some pompous wall art as well that came from Amazon. And there you have it. This is my downstairs area. I added this rug to give it some texture. What do you guys think? Should I keep it? Comment down below what you think I should do.